now here we are, all right, and I just had to, so a couple days ago when I went on here and I was messing around on this originally, it was free, but because of the hype, it's now $20 a month. So you can, you can see if what I'm up to, what it produces for me is, good enough where you'd want to spend 20 bucks a month on it. So let's get going on it. Let's start right now. So this is supposed to be artificial intelligence at its finest. It's a thinking search engine. So let's try it out. Let's ask it things like what are the benefits to crack filling a asphalt surface? Let's see what ChatGtp says about this. What are the benefits to crack filling a asphalt surface? Hopefully it says, well, first of all, it's supposed to be in. So learn how to spell. Crack filling is an essential part of preserving the maintenance of the asphalt surface. It helps prevent water from entering the cracks, which can cause further damage to the asphalt surface and lead to bigger problems in the future. Filling cracks can also help improve the overall surface appearance, preventing any further damage. Additionally, crack filling can help prolong the life of the pavement by sealing out moisture and preventing further damage. Wow. I mean, spot on! Spot on! Take a little screenshot of that. Let's see. That was my wife. She doesn't. We're talking about turkey. All right. Stand by. Yeah. See, croutons. We're talking about food, guys. Get your fucking head out of the gutter. All right. So, what do we got here? Now we're on. Let's think. How often should one seal coat their parking lot or driveway? It's important to protect something stronger. 2 to 3 years, depending on the condition of the asphalt, the amount of traffic it sees. Wow, see, this is great. It's also important to check your asphalt regularly. So ChatGtp is already like thinking ahead. They're thinking maintenance plans. I mean, this is great. Let's keep this going. What else can we? All right. Ooh, this one. Let's see. This is a good one. What is the best method of application when it comes to asphalt seal coating? Oh, this is going to be great. Oh shit, ChatGtp says both techniques are highly effective and should be done with 2 thin coats for maximum protection. Regardless of which method you choose, it is also important to allow adequate time for the sealer to dry before you open it up to traffic. Perfect! Because if the sealer's soft, it doesn't matter how thick it is, it's just going to come off. Alright, let's see. Well, let's ask it like, what? No, it's like a genie. Mirror, mirror on the wall, what will happen with sealer prices? Moving sealer prices in 2023. What will happen with... Now, I'm directing the ship on a course, okay? And I want to show you. So pay attention to this answer right here, okay? All right. So we're going to screen that. Bang. Now, I'm going to change this to, can you tell me what the pricing on plywood will be in 2023. So I worded the question a little bit different, but it's kind of the same thing. I want you to pay attention to the body of this answer and the body of the answer it just gave. See, it's basically the same thing, the same answer. But now you might say, well, it's the same, you asked it the same question, you know, and it is, but it's not, you know, because we all know that there's, you know, I don't know.